What's up guys? Welcome back to another video where today we're playing Fidget Spinner IO. As you can see, I don't have a nickname yet. And I have a best score of 1711. I'm bad at saying numbers. So, oh yes, I need to enter the nickname. Wait, let me see. Oh, look at the fidget spinner there. I'm gonna name it Spiky. Spiky. There. Yes. Now, oh, internet connection? What? Don't say I don't have Wi-Fi again. I probably do. So now let's choose, no thanks. Because you say I space Spiky, I should use this. Let me see others first. Just have a quick run through. Yeah, it looks. Oh my god, that is a very nice spike thing there. Yo, you see? Oh my, I'm gonna save up. And you see this one, the black and yellow one? That's really nice too. Going on, and it starts to get a little boring. It doesn't look as cool for me. Actually, this is kind of cool. It's very expensive though. What must I actually buy that? Let's see. Okay, there it is. The last one. Okay, I guess we should just go for it. Let's play against AI for now. No thanks. I'm pretty OP for now. I'm not OP as a whole. No way! That was unfair. Oh my god. The AI. Let's try challenge. How about that? Destroy 15. Whoa. Okay. Weird. You see that guy got dude? That dude. No, done. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. Good. Okay, guys. Oh my god. That was... Oh my... Holy moly. Let me just try play AI. Yeah. No. Somebody's trying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Holy mac and cheese. Holy mac and cheese. That, yeah, unfortunate. Let's just choose this blue one. And I'm gonna call myself Knob. Now let's play against AI. Hello, I'm new here. What's up? I'm new. You can definitely kill me. That's for sure. Oh my, I'm growing fast now. How is it? Okay, I'm gonna eat this guy. Oh yeah. Oh my god, second place. definitely eat everybody right now. So I don't really care if anybody comes and like tries to come near me, because they'll get killed like that guy. Just saying, that guy's OP is at very high level. Look! Pika! And Phil! Phil, where are you, Phil? I want you to be here. Come here, Phil. And Puka? Puka, where are you? Perry, I need to die, Perry. Oh my god, my Fidget is filling this whole space right now. Phil! I want you, Phil! Man, I tremendously slowed down. And you might be asking, why do you say tremendously? Are you a little bit stupid? Technically I am a little bit stupid. Can I please find Phil? Phil is taking my mind right now. Oh, Puka. Oh yeah. Amos? Who are you, Amos? You are a pig. Hi, pig. Amos the fat pig. No offense. You are AI, so still no offense. AI doesn't have mind. No offense. God. Okay. Split. Oh my. I feel like I just cracked my knuckles. It's like... Yeah. Oh my god. Can I please speak back myself? Legit. Please. Please. Yay. I'm a good as fast as before. I still wanna kill. I still wanna go Phil. Phil. Holy moly. He's like in a catapult. Phil. Oh my god. My other half of my body is just... Is that Phil? No way, that's Phil. After all this time, he's finally discovered. And I saw somebody. Two happy faces. So now let's try to fix us back. Hear the echo? I did it myself. Fix us back. No, I'm very bad at editing, so you might be asking, how did you get so good? Well, technically I didn't. Oh, guys, I think I just broke my record. I legit just broke my record. Record. What am I talking? But if I could actually come back to my normal size, that would be greatly appreciated. Fidget spinner? Hello? Yo, I want you to go back together. Wait, I'm bad at rapping. Who's that? I apologize for that phone call. Very nice phone call ringtone. I must say, Samsung did a nice job on that. Like, technically that's my friend's phone, and it's like oh my god, I'm 2,000. This is what you get from watching this. You'll see me beating the AI so badly. Although I still look kind of small, don't you think? I'm like slower than everybody. smaller than everybody. Wait, did I just see Eric? Yeah, look, it's Eric. Don't steal my red thing. The red thing, yes. Okay, now you, Eric. Eric, you better come back here. Oh wait, never mind. I'll just do that. Now I'll go back to my normal size. My normal size, please. Please get me back to my normal size. Please, I'm begging you. 1 billion years later. No time card. I'm sorry, I'm a bad editor. I edit everything. I have no editors. No budget. Peter is back. Wait, is Peter even here before? I don't think so. Peter! Wait, is that Peter? No, that's not. But it's a very OP thing. Get a very OP person. That's for sure. But it is not a person. Look at all these small fidgets. That is so fight. The British flag fidget. He's so OP. I'm not gonna lie. Excuse me. Excuse me! I swear I saw Peter. I think I saw it. Do you see? If it's a her, I'm not so sure if it's a her, but... Come on! Dang it! Come on, go back to my normal size, please. Please. There you go. Well, I guess that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Just if you want to share. And comment down below what kind of games you want me to play. And if you want a face reveal. If you want a face reveal. By the way, Peter, you see Peter? Is OP. He's like 1,000. Oh my gosh! I can't believe this, but AI is AI. If I found him, he would be dead by now. Or she, or it. If it's AI, so he's up. And I just hope you to see you again. You guys are fantastic, and I hope to see you again. Goodbye.